Hey guys, it's Jack Gleason with Startuptrading.com, and in this video I'm going to go over a trade I took using Nadex where I made up over $7,000 in a single day in a single trade. I'm going to go over why I took that trade. I'm going to show you how I actually mentioned that I was going to take it in my trade room. This was a setup I had warned people in advance that I was looking for, and the structure of the trade and how it works. So stay tuned, you're going to learn, and you're going to see how I earn. So earlier in the day, actually my original comment was at 145, if we trade, I'll buy some Nadex if we trade the full HWB. For those of you guys who don't know what HWB stands for, in my trade room, it's a term called the halfway back. Now, let's go over to the charts, and I'll show you guys what this halfway back exactly is and what we traded. Now, this is the chart I share in the trade room during the day. And the halfway back was this level here at 42.50, and all that is the low of the week to the high of the week divided by 2. It's a technical level of support that I use to determine entries. Now, I made that comment at 145. 145 was right, I'm going to mark it up on my screen. These are East Coast times, by the way. This is 145. The level I was anticipating to trade was right here. I'm going to box it out. This blue line, also known as the halfway back, it was as well as a gap fill. So when we were here, I was anticipating us to potentially get down here. Now, if we got down there, I was going to buy Nadex. Nadex is a binary options contract which says, are we going to be above or below a specific level? Now, I thought we could rally from here, so I picked a higher strike, and in fact, I averaged in a couple times. My strike on this trade was 43.10. So if we were above 43.10 by the end of the day, I was going to more than triple my initial investment. So double my money, but I get a 2x return. I risked about $3,000 on the trade and am going to come out on top $7,400. I bought these contracts for an average of just over $28. The entire value of the contract has a max value of 100. So do 100 minus 28. That gives us $72. For every $28 of risk I put on the table, I made back 72 in a period of just a few hours. So you can see my P&L here up 6,900. When that position fully closes out, it will be 7,400 or roughly around there. But the important thing in here, guys, and a lesson when you're trading is to determine your support levels ahead of time. So when they do trade, you know what you want to do. In this case, I wanted to buy a Nadex call option that we were going to be above 43.10 by the end of the day, which is the futures closed at 4:15, and I netted myself just over $7,000 in a few hours. So if you want to learn how to trade like this, I recommend you guys join my trade room. I'll leave the link below, but like I said, I gave this trade out here. Exactly what I was going to do. I executed it. You can see a couple of the guys in here absolutely killed it today. Ryan with looks like 5,006, 7, 8, 10 grand for Ryan. A couple of these other guys making a couple $1,000s a piece. But the startup trading trade room is an incredible place to learn. You can also watch me trade on my futures account, which I have funded through a company called Apex. But make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video. Feel free to share it. I like to keep them short, super information packed. Jump to my other videos if you guys want to learn more information, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you.